Day 2 of the Tom Ferry Summit is over, and I want to show you a quick recap of everything we learned, starting with Steve Harney's presentation, which was fantastic. He's the owner of Keeping Current Matters, a company that is dedicated to provide real estate market information nationwide. And they did a survey and they found out that 1 in every 4 people believe that prices will depreciate. But this is what actually happened. Take a look. Every year without fail, real estate listings go up in the summer and then start coming back down all the way through December. But in 2022, they anticipated that listings were going to go up through June and continue to go up, which is why they thought prices were going to come down. But if you take a look at the red line, which represents 2022, listings actually came down. Because listings were actually lower than what they anticipated, the prices actually skyrocketed in early 2022, and they had a small adjustments towards the end of 2022. But this is nationwide. Actually, for us in Miami, we did not see any decreases. We might have seen a slowdown of the appreciation, but no decreases in the Miami area. And then if you fast forward to 2023, you can see that in the first couple of months, which if you see the green line, which represents 2023, we had real estate appreciation again, now at a more normal pace. The 20% appreciation that we've been having the last 3 years is not a sustainable rate. Right now, we're going to see about 5 to 10% for the area of Miami. So for the people waiting for the market to crash to buy a property, you're making a big mistake, because inventory is still going to continue to be low and prices will continue to rise, making it more expensive for you. And foreclosures are nowhere to be seen because people are still paying their mortgages. Any other questions? Let me